Kailangan ito. So, DJ Osmo Action ang gamit ko guys kasi lalabas tayo baka uulan. Again, late naman itong video na to. So, okay lang. Okay lang talaga. Guys, ayan. QR code lang. Sabot pa lang, ano ka na. So, after immigration guys, mga bus na kung saan kayo may tour. So, by number yung bus. Kami number 27 yung bus namin. Yeah. 27 is over there. Okay. Yeah, ayan. By number. Hindi nakakalito. Charot. So, nag-join kami ng bus, ng tour kasi one day lang tayo dito ba? Kumbaga, ayan. Yeah. So, Uluwatu Temple Tour and more. Sa bus. So, alis na kami guys. Ayan. Benua Cruise Terminal. Ano na, besh? Yan yung si ate girl, tour guide natin. Hindi ko ginamit yung microphone muna guys. Mamaya na lang. Nasa loob lang naman tayo ng bus. Siguro lang yung boses ko. So late po. Kaedit 1 hour sa bahay na kasi 4K. Hirap siya. Hirap. Madami pa naman akong naka-line up. Our navigator, our pilot. So we're here, Benua.
But we go down here, that's the airport. Go down here and down there.
She's circling the
steps. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, everyone. So, Happy New Year 2026. Happy New Year. So this year will be much better than the last year, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So once again, good morning. The first, I would like to introduce myself. So my name is Putu. Yeah, just call me Putu, right? And then a driver, his name is Arifin. And then the assistant for the driver is we call Kadek. Yeah, right. So first, I would like to say thank you very much for the visiting our province, our island, Bali. So this is the second day, correct? Yes. Okay. Now we are at the Benua Port Harbor. So yesterday at the north of Bali, right? Cilukan Bawang. Okay. Are you doing some trip yesterday? Yes. How was your day yesterday? Good. Right. Okay. So this morning the weather is good, clear. So, but this time in December, this is the season for the rainy season. But third key, yeah, from Denpasar, Benua Port Harbor until to Nusa Dua, yeah. So there is around 12.9 kilometers. Okay, and then from here, this is our toll road. Not only for the car or bus, we have also the area for the motorbike, the small line for the motorbike. Yeah.
Ay, ang saya. May online sila.
Right,
So, na ganitong Pinas.
so I would like to inform
Yan ang
about
saya.
what we have in this bus, yeah?
Like the,
So in this bus, we
Pinas. Motorbike line lang yan dyan. Available. Pwede.
test,
Diba?
test. The raincoat, and then we preparing also the mineral.
Grabe.
yeah, mineral water and soft drink. We have
Grabe ang haba ng bridge. Haba ng pasensya nila. Wow. Buti pa yung valley. Tingnan nyo.
or we call Pura Desa. Pura, that's mean temple. Desa, that's mean village. Yeah. So also we have the temple in the house. Yeah. The temple in the house in one area. Yeah. We have one area for the temple. Even we stay more than 2 family, maybe 3 or 4 family in one compound, but the temple only one.
Para siyang Pinas din. Ayan, may mga makalat. Next is mga shop, may mga bahay na mga shop din. So, very Pinas din. Pati yung ano nila, yung sa kuryente. Very Pinas din. Ang saya lang. Diba? Oh. Even the coffee Philippines. This one ba? What you call it?
The berries.
Huh?
The berries.
The electric.
Oh, the
Spaghetti electric. So 45 minutes papunta sa unang stop natin. So
Automatically,
sila,
the land is bit wet, yeah. So please be careful. So from the
So
area
guys-
of the outside area, this is the flood. But when we go to the second area or middle area, there are some steps to go up, yeah. So please be careful your step. And then after that, when we are going down, also there are some steps, yeah. So please be careful for that, yeah.
hindi na ako magdalang
So
microphone,
we
guys.
have 5 buses
Kasi
already.
baka snatchin ng
at the same
monkey,
time.
so ay double hold na lang, double hold yung camera ko, tapos ayoko na lang mag-focus sa microphone kasi yun nasa ano ko lang siya ba dito sa dibdib ko, just in case, like
Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget we are at the bus number 27.
what number?
So the bus will be parking at the bus area around there. Yeah.
Andito na kami. Ayoko magdala ng glasses din kasi baka kukunin ng mag-lipstick ako. Wait sa muna, kukuha ng sarong ata, magko-cover yung naka-shorts. Yung mga naka-shorts guys, ganyan nilagay para ako. Ayan, kasi naka-shorts ako. So, tour starts here. It's gonna be a long video ito. Siya guys, welcome to Uluwatu. Ba siya guys. Gawin ko dito banda. Yan. Round tayo kasi walang glasses. Yan yung monkey. Meron na kaming nakita doon kanina. Ayan. Oh, my spa stairs, guys. Apaka ano? Aggressive nila?
No, you're being to temple.
Pang ilang stop na to guys. Ang ganda lang view. Wow. Ang ganda. So guys, maraming steps dito ha. Ayan. May monkey.
So the typical of the monkey in Bali, we call makaka.
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 Look at the car. Oh my god. The car in
When the baby just born,
good. Yung upuan ng ano, motor patay. God, ang dami nila guys. Oh my God. Tapos na yung dito na Uluwatu. Ang init, ang humid. Humidity talaga yung ano, hair. Ayoko. Okay lang ako sa init. Ayan na yung bus namin.